Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to delete all spam emails in your Gmail at once. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete all your spam emails in Gmail in a single click, then I will show you how to do this. If you are using desktop or if you are using any Android phone, then the procedure will be same. First of all, you have to open your Gmail and sign in. After that, in left side you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on this. In this you can see spam. Just tap on the spam, or if you are using the desktop or laptop, in that after clicking the spam you will get a option delete all spam message now. After that, just select and delete it. If you are using Android phone, in the top you will find empty spam now. Just click on that, then click empty. Now you can see our spam has been cleaned. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete all spam email at once in your Gmail. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.